So we've been driving around for about 20-25 minutes now trying to find the perfect place to take this photo, and it's hard to do. We don't really know the area yet too well. I can find the mountains and then I can try my best to place myself near them, but I don't know enough of where like the cool places are yet. So we're in a kind of neat little spot. It's getting a little bit dark, the fog's kind of clearing up. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this photo. I know this is a popular photo that you see a lot of people do it on Instagram and stuff, but usually it's one of those things where like people have a page where they're like, okay, send me these two things and then I'll send you a photo of your car looking that way, or something like that. Or people think that it takes a lot of skill, but it really doesn't. So I'm here today to tell you and like show you what to do, how to make the photo, because it's really not that hard. It's pretty basic. You can do it with any free software. You can do it with your phone. I'm going to be putting my camera on a tripod, but you don't need to do that. I just kind of want to show everybody that like you all have the ability to do this kind of thing. So I think that's it. Let's take a photo. These are the mountains that I was going for. It really took a long time to figure out where to find them. I just randomly found this parking lot. And like I said, you don't need a tripod and a camera. I'm going to be putting my camera on the tripod because that's what I have. I have the ability to do that. But you could literally stand here with your phone, take a photo, get a friend to open the hood, take another photo, and you don't have to move and it will still work perfectly fine. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about in a second. So basically take this, it's really easy. All you need is two photos. You need one like this with the hood down, and you need another one with the hood up. Same location, same, just don't move anything. And if you're doing it with your phone, like I said, just literally hold your phone, get a friend to open the hood, don't move, and then take another photo. Super easy. I'm gonna try and keep ours as dead on as we can because I have my winters on right now and they're super ugly. I'm literally just gonna take one photo like this. And then we're gonna take another picture like this. Unfortunately, my car doesn't have too many visual mods that you can see with the hood open, but the idea is still there for you guys to do. Thank you, Courtney, for folding up your tripod. That's it, that's all you need. I think this photo is actually gonna turn out better than I thought it would, because there's like a substantial amount of mountain that I got in the picture, which is cool. I didn't think I'd be able to capture all that. So step one was find a cool place to take the photo. Step two is take the photo. Like I said, doesn't matter, camera, tripod, no tripod, cell phone, friend, whatever. Do it, you can do it, you have the ability, so do it. Step three, drive home. So step four, once you're home, is just to choose an editing software. I'm gonna use Paint because it's free and anybody can get it, and then you can learn from what I'm teaching you and do the same thing. However, I know there's better stuff. This isn't a debate on what's better, what's not. Like I'm saying, I'm trying to do this so that anybody can do it, and then if you have better things that you can do, better phones, cameras, computers, whatever, you can do that. So we're gonna use Paint. So first we are going to open up this one and see where the watermark is right here. You're going to want to try and move the photo off to the side and work with it there, that way you don't get this watermark in the photo. So we're going to put that there, and then basically just crop out the open part of the hood, because that's all that we really want to work with right now. So here, I'll make this a little bit wider and we'll crop that. Start deleting stuff that is not part of underneath the hood. So this whole front clip can go, and then I'm gonna make this actually quite small. And I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more, and I'm gonna just tidy this up a bit. Okay, so that's pretty much all we're gonna do right now. Then we're gonna go up here, save it, save as engine inlay. Sure, we'll save it like that. Now, we're gonna close this, create another new one, whatever, open it up. Then we're going to the good photo. We're gonna try and make it smaller. So what is it right now? So basically when you have the free version, to avoid the watermark, what you're gonna wanna do is put your cursor right here, and then at the bottom right here, it's gonna tell you the pixels of the photo, and what you're gonna wanna do is make them half of what they are so that it goes up into the top corner and avoids the watermark. 1279, so what we're gonna do is take 1279, divide it by 2, 639.5. So we're gonna take this edge and we're gonna drag it to 639.5. So see where it says width and height and only one is changing? We want 639.5. So we'll just call it 640. And then this one, 857. So we're gonna make it 429. So basically that just keeps this photo up here in the same kind of sizing that it was when it was the full thing, except now we're avoiding this watermark that's right here. So we're gonna hit enter, then we're gonna hit add, and we are going to find as a JPEG. So what I did was when I saved this one, I accidentally saved it as a paint document, which is not going to work. So we're going to have to go in here, save it as a GIF. Make sure you save it as a GIF because that is what will give you the transparent background. So we're going to save that, pull this guy back up in here, add a new photo, and we're going to take the one that's a GIF. So see, as this is transparent now, and what we're going to do, we can zoom into the project here. We're going to take it and lock it right there, and we're going to do the same thing. So this is 337 and 132, so we're going to divide both of those by 2. So we're going to make this 168, and this one was 129. We're going to make this one 64 and a half. Now we're going to drag it over top. Right there is where we would want it, right? That's exactly how we want it to look. So we're going to drag it right there. Nope, stop locking it in place. Does that look good? Let's see. I know it looks a little bit bad right now because it's a small photo, but don't worry, it'll turn out okay. And then you're going to come up in here, you're going to go to layer, adjust opacity, and we're just going to make it faded a little bit. So I think it looks good right about there. Yeah, right about 50. I think it looks good at 50, so we'll leave it right there. Oh, mine's at 49, but whatever. We'll hit OK, hit enter. And now what we're going to do is just go up in here, save this as a JPEG because we want it as a photo. Okay, whatever. We're going to save it. We're going to save anyway. And now I'm just going to close this, close this. So now what I'm going to do is take it from my downloads, drag it over here into my photos. And then once you have it open up in your photos, what you can do is edit it and come up here to crop, and then we're just gonna select the size of the photo, so like this, and boom. I actually missed a little spot right here. I didn't even really notice until right now, but I'm gonna blame that on the fact that I'm colorblind. And this photo actually turned out pretty well. Like I said, it's a little small, and if you want to pay to upgrade any of the softwares or use a software that I might not have used, that's fine. What I'm trying to do is show you that the point here is anybody can do this, and like this size photo would look great on Instagram or something like that. So I don't really think that you need to pay for software if you're just looking for like an Instagram photo, or even the thumbnail for this video is gonna be this photo and it's probably gonna look fine. So the point is anybody can do it. That's how you do it. It's obviously gonna look better if you pay for your software. But that's it. Today's video was very quick and to the point, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys go out there and make one of these photos for yourself, because I think they're pretty cool, and not a lot of people do them because they think it's a lot of work, but it's actually not that bad. As I just showed you, that took me maximum 10 minutes if I put all the time I spent together into one bundle. Was probably about 10 minutes. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Go out there and make yourself one of these because they look very awesome. I'll catch you next time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to stay committed.